In this video, I will show you how to set up Google credentials in self-hosted n8n. Go to your n8n. We'll start with Google Drive. Click on it, then select Credentials and create new credentials. Here we need a client ID and client secret, which means you need a Google Cloud account. So go to Google Cloud and create a new project. Add a name, then click Create. Once done, make sure to select your project. Now at the top left, open the navigation menu and go to APIs and Services. Then, OAuth consent screen. Click Get Started. Add an app name, for example, n8n demo. Select an email and make sure it's the same one you want to use. For the user type or audience, select External, then click Next. Now, add your contact email. Again, use the same one. Agree to the terms and continue. That creates your configuration. Next, go to Branding on the left panel and make sure everything is correct. Then go to Audience section. Scroll down to OAuth User Cap and click Add Users. Choose the email you want to use and click Save. Now, go to Clients and create a new one. For the application type, select Web Application. Under Authorize Redirect URLs, you need to add the one from n8n. So go back to n8n and copy the OAuth redirect URL. Paste it into Google Cloud, then click Create. Now you have your client ID and client secret. Copy both, return to n8n, and paste them there. Sign in with your Google account. Use the same one. Click Continue, allow access, and continue again. The connection is now created, but not yet functional. To fix that, go to Google Cloud, search for Google Drive, and select Google Drive API. Enable the API. Once done, n8n will start gathering data from it. Now let's set up Gmail. Select Credentials and create a new one. Sign into your account, select All Access, and continue. Next, go to Google Cloud. Search for Gmail API and enable it. That completes the Gmail setup. For the third one, set up Google Sheets. Again, go to Credentials, create a new one, sign in, allow access, and continue. Then, search for Google Sheets API in Cloud and enable it. Now the last one, Google Docs. Select Credentials and create a new one. Use the same client ID and client secret from Google Drive. Copy and paste them into n8n. Then, sign in, select All Access, and continue. Search Google Docs API. Enable the API. And there you have it. You now set up Google Credentials on self-hosted n8n in just 4 minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.